How to make GIFs from videos on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can easily make GIFs that are extracted from the videos on your camera roll on WhatsApp. But before we get started, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Now let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your WhatsApp and go to the chat that you want to send your GIF in. So let's say if I want to send a GIF on this chat right here, what I'm going to do is just choose the video that I want to set as a GIF. So here is a short clip that I want to send as a GIF. What you are going to do here is make sure that the video is no longer than 6 seconds. So as you can see here, once it reaches the 6-second mark, this little thing will pop up on your screen where it allows you to switch between video and GIF. But if it's longer, it won't allow you to do that. So make sure that it's 6 seconds or less. And once you do that, you just toggle the switch on to GIF and then just tap on send. Once you do this, this particular clip will be sent as a GIF right here on your chat. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.